Hi, I'm Verohnika.
And I'm Patricia.
And we are the Psychicks Twin Flame Gut Activators. We're so excited to be at the Healers Network Virtual Fair.
We will be here from 12 to 9 p.m. on Saturday, August 8th in room 15.
So make sure you come
around and see us.
You hear?
Yeah.
We've been helping people for a very long time. We are lifelong holistic healers. We also help the English and Spanish population, so sí se habla español.
We also are channelers, so we never know who else is going to join us during this session. And we're a little unique because you will get 2 psychics for the price of 1. We will read you at the same time, so you get a little bit more in-depth than most readings.
And we'll take you through a special journey. Could start out with a medical reading, intuitive reading, past life. We can do quite a little bit of everything.
We are a little special, as you can tell.
If you'd like to know more about us, please look us up on our website at angelmystic.com or on our Facebook page at Angel Mystic. We hope to see you soon.
Come join us.